Good afternoon, everyone. Here are to recite the physical education and the vision, mission, and philosophy of the City College of Calapan. And the physical education is an integral part of whole educational process which is designed for the optimum development of an individual physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially through total body movement in the performance of properly selected physical activities.
Know what she was thinking, I know what I wanna see. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back.
The vision: Center of Inclusive Education in Building Discipline and Good Character for God and Humanity. Mission: In the pursuit of the vision of the City College of Calapan as an educational institution subscribing to the total development of the youth, the following are the mission statements of the City College of Calapan. A. To foster the intellectual, moral, social, and creative life of its students through quality, accessible, and affordable education. B. To provide for a general education that will develop the whole human personality and seek to create a cultural environment that will prepare him to be professionally competent for life. C. To foster awareness of the socio-economic situation, a commitment to its improvement, the development of civil and social responsibility and discipline. D. To provide training and experiences in the sciences and professions. E. To enhance the promotion of our cultural values and foster social awareness and responsiveness towards the upliftment of the youths of Calapan. Philosophy: We create possibilities for lifelong learning.
A few moments later.
So, the physical education is a vital part of education that aims to help individuals grow and improve physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially. And it involves engaging in various physical activities to promote overall well-being and development. The vision is to become a leader center of inclusive education that focuses on developing discipline and good character and values for both God and humanity. Mission Mission A: providing quality, accessible, and affordable education to nurture students intellectually, morally, socially, and creatively. And the letter B is offering a well-rounded education to develop students' personalities and prepare them for professionally competence. And the letter C is promoting awareness of social and economic issues, encouraging commitment to improvement, and fostering civil and social responsibility. The letter D is to providing training in various fields of study and professions. E. The letter E is promoting cultural values, social awareness, and responsiveness to improve the lives of the youth in Calapan. And the philosophy is of the philosophy of the institution is to create opportunities for continuous learning throughout life. Yun lang.